Hello friends, so today I am going to share recipe of Kantola vegetable. Firstly, wash and clean the Kantola thoroughly. Cut off the ends and remove tough or spitty parts. Slice the Kantola into thin rounds or lengthwise strips based on your preference. Heat a pan with add some oil and add mustard seeds and cumin seeds also. Once the seeds start to sputter, add chopped onion and green chili until they turn golden brown. You can see this. After that, add finally sliced Kantola to the pan. Stir well to coat the slice with the spices. You can see this. Mix it well. After that, add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and season with salt. You can see this. Cover the pan and cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally until the Kantola is tender. Enjoy homemade Kantola vegetables. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.